They're renting Rolls Royces, they have Lamborghinis, all that cool stuff. Today I'm gonna be making a day in the life of a 16-year-old entrepreneur. So right now, I'm actually at a hotel because today was my last day of school. So right after school, I came to the beach, and then I came to this hotel, and it looks like there's a cool sauna down there. So I'm gonna go check that out, check out the pool, and then I'm just gonna kind of bring you with me to show you what a realistic day looks like for me. So Zach is actually behind the camera right here. This is my friend. He's also a 16-year-old entrepreneur.
Yep.
If you don't know him, go check him out.
Gym content and
sir.
Fitness, so it's pretty good. Yeah, we're at the hotel now. It's a beautiful day here.
That's Zach White Fitness right
Pretty
there.
much.
But if we look over here, so this is actually a restaurant, by the way. This is the outdoor top deck of the hotel. And if you look down, you can actually see that there's a sauna down there. So I do want to check that out because I've never actually been in a sauna, but I know it's super good for your health along with ice baths. So if we could get in there, that'd be really cool.
That would be.
I'm just going to be responding to DMs, you know, talking to my team, and just kind of just going through a regular day for me.
And we're actually
to show
both
you
going on a
guys.
trip soon. He's going to Turks and Caicos.
Yep.
I'm going to Bermuda, so we're
Yeah,
both
make
gonna
sure-
get huge content for that.
Make sure you continue to watch my content. I'm going to be posting about Turks and Caicos because I'm going away for a week there, and actually 6 days now. Yeah, 6 days. I'm going to be going away for a week in Turks and Caicos. I'm going to be making insane content there on jet skis, all of that stuff. There's actually a really cool fish tank at ground level. It's actually so echoey in here.
Yeah,
There's a really cool fish tank. It's all lit up.
too, so I'm going to film with that too.
Yep, we just bought that GoPro like a few days ago.
Literally, yeah.
For this trip. So that's going to be pretty cool. Filming his content.
And we're outside now.
Let's check this out. What? It's actually hot. So as you can see, the sauna does work. This is actually really cool. My first time being in a sauna, like I mentioned.
So this is water, and what you do is you put it on the steam, and this is to make it steamier or less steamy. So it's going to steam up.
Actually, when have you been in one?
On the cruise last year.
Alright.
Which is when I'm going out soon. So whatever.
This is actually so nice. Ooh, it's actually getting really hot in here. This is actually crazy. I've never been in a sauna. I've mentioned that a lot. But ever since you put that steam in there, it actually is getting so hot. That's
Actually,
nice.
feel up here, it's actually even warmer. It's like just,
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, saunas are really good for you, so we're gonna stay in here for however long. And as you can see, the temperature is there, I think. It's almost 150, right? Almost 150 degrees in here. Whew, the GoPro's definitely gonna overheat. It overheats
Yeah, pretty easy.
a lot, pretty easy.
Yeah, pretty nice.
Just imagine when we're making like 10K per month and we're just able to travel like this, like daily. That is gonna be so fun. But like I said, that's hot. Stay tuned because I'm gonna be posting so much content in Turks and Caicos. So if you don't know what Turks and Caicos is, it's an island in the Caribbean. Super nice, gonna be jet skiing, jumping off cliffs, all that cool stuff. There's caves, Iguana Island, so many cool things. And we're gonna be staying in a really cool place as well. So just stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna be posting more vlog style content like this. I was about 10 minutes in the sauna at 150. That was pretty cool. Now I'm gonna go hop in the pool.
When I hear you calling again, every night you're no sleep when you calling again. Every night you're no doubt, yes it's on the way. No red lights telling you to stay. Living to the fullest, yeah, it's what I do, but I put it on in focus so you see it too.
Alright. That was amazing. I don't know about you.
Just came out of the sauna, hot tub.
Just went in the sauna. Yep.
Pretty much a hot tub. It was a pretty warm pool.
That was insane. Like, the sauna was really cool. I'll definitely do that again the next time I come here. Hopefully soon we can actually stay here for a while. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down this road, and we actually came from the beach, so I'm just gonna go back to the beach, and to make this video actually entertaining for you guys, I'm actually gonna be doing work as I'm walking to the beach, kind of just to show you like the day in the life and exactly what I go through basically in a day. So first, I'm actually gonna be answering this DM. So if you don't know, the Freedom Empire, that is my school community with like-minded individuals, and if you want to check that out, first link in the description below. But there's this guy, his name is Felix, and I've been DMing him. So what I want to do is add him to the school community, and in return, he's gonna give me a testimonial for it. So this is gonna be great on my end for people joining, you know, it'll make them wanna join a little bit more, and it'll also be great for him because he'll be added on for free. What I would do now is I just fix my funnels, okay? I'd look at my funnels, I'd look at my landing page, I'd look at my email funnel, make sure that everything's right, and then I'd fix the step that's not right. So for example, the first step in my funnel to get people into the Freedom Empire would be an email list. And it's not just an email list, it's not like I'm spamming people with emails, but they do sign up with their email and name, and then once they do that, I actually send them in another email so that they can get access. That's like basically how it works. So if I realized that not many people were signing up, then that means that the copy on that page is not good. So I'd fix it. But say I get a lot of people to sign up, but not a lot of sales, what would I do? I would either fix the email or I would fix the landing page. Now the landing page is where they'd actually see all the testimonials, see everything, and then make the decision of purchasing the Freedom Empire or not. So we didn't end up eating at that restaurant just because we wanted to come to the beach, and now we're actually gonna film content. So this is what I would normally do in a day. So it's around like 3 o'clock right now, so I'm just gonna go film a few long form videos on the beach and probably some short form as well. So that's kind of what it consists of, and then I'm also going to text some people, so I have some business deals lined up a little bit. A little bit of an update, I'm back from the beach now and I'm actually just networking with 3 people. So today's basically a networking day. Of course I filmed content and all that, but today's mostly a networking day. So there's this one guy, his name's Seabass, he's an absolute legend, and he's showing me his network, and he has this absolutely insane network. They're renting Rolls Royces, they have Lamborghinis, all that cool stuff. So he's hooking me up with his network that's actually doing all this stuff, which is really cool. And as you know, your network is your net worth. So hopefully if I network with these guys, then I'll get to their level. So that's just super cool, and this is what organic content can get you. You know, I'm networking with these people, and the only reason I'm able to do this is through my content. They came to me, actually. And another guy I'm networking with, I already told you about the testimonial, so I'm just gonna explain to him kind of like what he could actually do for me and where I'd put the testimonial. And then there's this other guy that I'm talking to. He lives in Spain, and he's a fitness influencer, which is really cool. He has over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube as well. So I'm just networking with all these people. And also he just joined the Freedom Empire as well. So if you do want to check that out, first link in the description below. But it's just super cool, really good networking day. Of course, content and all this cool stuff. The sauna was awesome. The pool, amazing. But, you know, kind of just relaxing day, just networking with all these people. So it's super cool. We'll see where this goes. So right now I'm just adjusting things in the funnel, and I'm actually just waiting for a call from this guy called Cardinal Mason. Now, he's actually a friend of the person that I said, Seabass. So he's a friend of Seabass, and that's who I'm about to network with. So he's insane in copywriting. He has over 80,000 followers on Instagram and around 40,000 YouTube subscribers. And he's making like a ton of money as well. Like I said, he's renting. I'm not sure if he owns a Lamborghini or not, but he could actually own a Lamborghini. Like I said, I'm not sure because I'm just kind of figuring out who he is at the moment. But it's just amazing what a good network can actually get you. And in the future, I'm going to make an in-depth video on exactly how to network. Now, the short answer, of course, is content, but it goes a little bit more in depth than this, because if you're just creating content and you get 1,000 subscribers, you're not just going to gain a network. You actually, I'll explain it in my other video, so just stay tuned for that video as well. I just got a text from Mason's team, so we'll see where this goes. I'm not sure. I might be able to hop on a call with someone from Mason's team, and then I'll just kind of see how this goes and how the rest of the day kind of plays out.
I'm doing good. Yeah. So, Sebastian sent me your number. What's your relationship with Sebastian? Is he like your boy?
Well, actually, I was just networking with him on Instagram like the past couple of days. So then